Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga to floss radial nerve to fix shoulder, arm, hand, pain and numbness. Let's begin. So radial nerve go from the base of your neck all the way outside of your arm to the top of your forearm to the outside of your thumb and index finger and some part of middle finger. Okay, so now either you can do it in sit down on the floor or sitting on the chair or standing. Okay, and from here you're gonna make 45-degree angle, extend your arm downward, and then you're gonna curl your arm like as if you are going to get some tip to the behind. Okay, so and then here drop your shoulders down as low as you can, and then let's count 10 slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release other side. Curl your fingers up. Drop your shoulders down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay, now same way, curl your fingers up. And as you turning finger toward yourself, you're gonna tilt your neck toward your arm. And then finger facing out, facing away. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Okay, now you're going to palm facing forward. From here, you're gonna make a fist and turn around, same time look away. And back. Okay, we're gonna do 5 times. Ready? 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. And 5. Relax. Palm facing forward from make fist twist away, same time look away from your arm. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Okay, don't do it too much. 5 to 10 times per day. Okay, now the last one. Okay, make fist and then keep your 90-degree angle, fist facing down. Okay, and from here, as curl your fist toward yourself like this, you can look away from your fist. 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. And 5. Relax. Fist facing down and curl same time look away. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. Sometimes when you have, those like a neck, shoulder, arm pain, the stretch won't stretch, neither massage doesn't help. Those flossing will help to relieve your pain. Okay, good job. This sequence is designed to fix neck, shoulder, arm, hand, pain, numbness, and tingling caused by pinched nerve. I recommend you do it every day, but not too much repetition, 5 to 10 reps per exercise. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!